Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you a tutorial how the way you can cut picture into 5 parts and change the color stoke easily without any editing application. You just need to have your iPhone device and Instagram application. It will be so really easy and fast. First, you just need to upgrade your iOS system into the settings. Make sure that you already upgraded into the newest iOS versions. Now whenever you update it, you will get a features called automatic cutout that can cut out the object from your photo. Open your photo library and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to cut the objects from. Let's say here I would like to do with this. Now I already have this picture and this object. I would like to change the background color and copy this object into 5 or copy into the 5 pieces in the frame. So the thing that you have to do is just go tap and hold into this object. Again, tap and hold, and there will be like glass shining across the object, and then you just need to go click copy. Now you just need to go back into your home screen, open your Instagram application, swap it until you get the Instagram story camera access, and then you just need to tap randomly the picture. Now you just need to go click these 3 small dots here, and you just need to go click draw and just pick the color that you want to use as the background. I would like to use a pink one, the light pink, and tap into the screen. But this is not the way you do it. Just click undo, click and hold, and then the color will be like filling all of the screen on your Instagram story here. Now you just need to go click done. The next thing you need to do is just go click this alphabet icon, and then you just need to type into the cursor, and there will be like options pop up, and go click paste. Now you just need to adjusting the position. If you want to make it vertical or portrait, this is the way how you placed it. But if you want to make it like more wider, and then you just need to like change the positions, so make it horizontal, and then you just need to place it into this specific area that you want to have, and you can just go tap it again and just do the same, paste the object that you just copied from your photo library, and then you just need to pick the area that you want to place them and just copy it until you got 5 objects in the frame here. It's much more simple and easy, right? You just need to prepare your phone, open the Instagram, pick the picture that containing the object that you want to copy, and you're just done. That's much more easier rather than using the editing applications. And whenever you're done, you just need to take a look on this top side, 3 small dots, and save it. Now we already got this photo into your home screen. You just need to open your home screen and open your photo, and then you just need to like swipe all the way pictures up, and then this is the result. If you want to make it like horizontally, just go click edit, and then you just need to click crop, and you just need to take a look on this top left, and then you just need to like click until you got the correct positions, and this is the result. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.